Tropical cicadas are very difficult to film, especially with a poor camera like the one that we have. But at least we have found one and we can see the little beastie doing its thing. Trying to get close isn't easy and they often fly off pretty quickly. You can hear an orchestra of them in the background at sunset time, close to 6 p.m. Here it goes. Finally getting closer and seeing if we can see the damn thing. But it's still very shaky and blurred. But we can see it's a large brownish insect. Cicadas have very characteristic calls that identify the species. This one has a head and body of at least 2 inches. You can see it has a pale spot in the middle of its back. Here's another individual. That we knock off with the camera as we can't even be sure if it's a cicada. By twilight, at about 6:15, the light is getting much worse. Our pictures are pretty bad, but we think it is this species, Purana tigrina. Indeed, many South Indian cicadas fall into the genus Purana. Finally, we have got some good pictures from a roosting creature by night. It may or may not be the same species, but we think it is. And here it is to scale.